Before we begin, we dare you to hit that subscribe button and check the description for goodies. Today, we will acknowledge you about incredible facts about animals. Did you knew what do rabbits eat for breakfast? IHOP. Koala fingerprints are so close to humans that they could taint crime scenes. Maybe koala doesn't seem to share much with us, but you would see that they have fingerprints that are just like the human hands if you were looking closely at their hands. Indeed, they are so similar with respect to unique bows and arches that, according to Ripley's Believe It or Not, in Australia, the police were afraid that criminal inquiry may have been hindered by koala prints. Any koalas that are doing crimes should wear gloves. Parrots will selflessly help each other out. Prairie dogs kiss. Parrots may be linked to pirates, but African grey parrots are nothing like the famed gullible criminals. Researchers, instead, have found that the birds of black colors, according to a study published in Current Biology in 2020, voluntarily aid each other to win food prizes. Auguste von Bayern, study co-author, stated that African grey parrots have been inherently driven to aid others, even when the other one is not their buddy. Did you know what do cats have for breakfast? Mice Krispies. Ghost crabs growl using teeth in their stomachs. Crabs may be able to intimidate other creatures with their claws, but if that's not enough, ghost crabs will growl at their enemies like a dog. However, unlike our canine friends, crabs make these fearsome noises using teeth located in their stomachs. There are three main teeth, a medial tooth and two lateral teeth, that are essentially elongated, hard, calcified structures. They are part of the gastric mill apparatus in the stomach, where they rub against each other to grind up food, Jennifer Taylor, from the University of California, San Diego, told Newsweek. She and her colleagues were able to nail down the source of the noise after noticing that the crabs were growling at them. The mantis shrimp has the world's fastest punch. You would believe boxes punches, hooks, and high cuts on the globe are the most spectacular, but the most rapid boxing gun in the world is the mantis shrimp. When a shrimp peaks at around 50 miles per hour, its fist of furia, which, of fact, is no fist, accelerates more rapidly than a ballet of a .22 caliber, according to science. What do cats have for breakfast? Mice Krispies. Female lions do 90% of the hunting. While men's lions are somewhat attracted by their stunning manes, it is the women's lions that do the most in the effort in feeding their children. According to CBS News, lionesses and not male lions hunt most of their pride. Lionesses hunt around 90%, while males guard their pride. What do you call a dog magician? A labracadabrador. Narwhal tusks are really an inside-out tooth. Narwhals, as they have what seems to be gigantic tusk, are unlike most other whales. However, this is not a tusk, what you see is a tooth. Martin Inouye from Harvard University told the BBC that the tooth is almost like a patch of skin in the sense it is all about the sensitive nerve endings. The world's oldest known breed of domesticated dog dates back to 329 BC. Dogs are renowned to be the best companion of men, and it turns out that this relationship is longer than you would anticipate. The first known race of domesticated dog goes back to 329 BC in accordance with Guinness World Records. In ancient Egypt, the dogs of Saluki have been cherished, maintained as royal pets and moths after death, they observed. In Sumer, nowadays southern Iraq, there are sculptures that show a dog akin to the Saluki that date to 7000 BC. What steps do you take if your tiger is running towards you? Big ones. And the oldest evidence of domesticated cats dates back 9,500 years. For thousands of years cats too have been staying near people. Guinness World Records claims that since 9,500 years mankind have been domesticating cats. Evidence of this was given in 2004, in the Neolithic hamlet of Shilora-Cambos in Cyprus, bones of a cat were unearthed. The position of the cat in the earth stood close to the human bones, which show that they were buried together similarly. Puffins use twigs to scratch their bodies. Puffins certainly are arrogant enough, but the seabirds are also pretty smart. Their beaks are really cunning. The 2019 study in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, shows the use of a tiny wooden stick spontaneously to scrape the corpses in both Wales and Iceland. According to Atlantic puffins. In fact, a little puffin is seen taking on a small twig before it scratches a jerky area on its abdomen in a video published by Science. What do you call a chicken at the North Pole? Lost. Bottlenose dolphins are even more right-handed than humans. According to Scientific American, the majority of humanity, 70% to 95%, have a right hand and the minorities, 5% to 30%. And for bottlenose dolphins the same goes for it. The wise swimmers are actually even rectangular than us. A study led by Florida's Dolphin Communication Project took a look at the feeding habit of bottlenose dolphin animals and discovered that they are turning left 99.44% of the time. She puts the right eye of the dolphin towards the floor of the water as it hunts. Cows painted with zebra-like stripes can avoid being bitten by flies. Cows must cope with bothersome flies that are irritating to the gentle creatures. Fortunately, by painting it with zebra-like stripes, farmers can now safeguard their animals. According to the 2019 PLOS ONE research, the quantity of biting flies in black and white cows of Japan was substantially smaller than in unpainted cows, with black stripes and cows. IFL Science proposes that it works because the stripes can lead to a sort of move camouflage aimed at the eyesight of the insects, confounding them to the extent that optical illusions mislead us. Capuchin monkeys wash their hands and feet in urine. Indubitably adorable monkeys. They can be very nasty as well. For example, capuchin monkeys, when they feel randy, urinate on their hands and feet. We believe that the alpha men may utilize urine to transmit nice, fluffy sentiments to women, that their requests are workable and that no need for them to escape, Prima Kimran Miller told NBC News. Or maybe because they're thrilled they can do that. Anyhow, yuck, anyway. Thank you for watching this video, we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and have a look in the description for goodies. Cheers.